Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Egnyte for project file governance and access, full guide step by step clearly. To download Egnyte for project file governance and access, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Egnyte homepage URL or search for Egnyte in your search engine. Once on the Egnyte website, look for the sign up or get started option, typically located at the top of the page. Click on that option to be directed to the registration page. Fill in your details such as your name, email address, and company information in the required fields. After completing the form, you might be asked to create a password. Choose a strong password that meets the specified criteria, then confirm it. Once you have filled out all necessary information, click on the button to create your account. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. After verification, return to the Egnyte homepage and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see various options. Look for the download or get the app section, usually found in the settings or account menu. Click on the link to download the Egnyte app compatible with your device. If you're using a Windows or Mac computer, select the appropriate option to download the desktop application. For mobile devices, choose the version for either iOS or Android based on your device. The download will begin automatically. Once completed, locate the downloaded file on your device. For desktop applications, double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. For mobile apps, open your App Store, find the Egnyte app, and install it directly from there. After installation is complete, open the Egnyte app. Log in using the same credentials you created earlier. Once logged in, you can start managing your project files efficiently. Explore available features to optimize file governance and access for your projects. Now you're all set up with Egnyte for effective project file management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.